करो. Soil. Okay. Soil is the another abiotic factor which is very essential for plant growth. We know it very well. So in soil, basically plant absorb all the nutrients, water from soil. Okay. So but slight acidic pH is best for plant growth. Slightly acidic होना चाहिए soil को. Okay. So soil is having different type of water which is available for plant growth. Generally we use soil for plant growth, is associated with plant growth only. So which type of water is available in soil, we will discuss it first. Okay, water which is available in soil, it is known as pollard. Okay, or pollard is of two types. One is of cresard and one is of icard. Okay, note down it. Pollard, water available in soil is known as pollard. Okay, and cresard means capillary water which is essential for plant growth. Plant generally absorb capillary water. What is capillary water? Capillary water means water which is present in a thin film of soil. Means जो soil के particle होते हैं ना, उसके अंदर जो पानी रहता है उसको बोलते हैं capillary water. Okay, and this capillary water is essential for plant growth. So available water for plant is known as cresard. Okay, non-available water for plant is known as icard. It is icard, non-available water. Non-available water for plant growth. Non-available water for plant growth is known as icard. Okay. Water available in soil is known as pollard. Water available for plant growth is known as cresard. Water which is not available for plant growth is known as icard. Okay. Now, which type of water will come here? First is a hygroscopic water. Hygroscopic water means, hygroscopy you know, जो ह्यूमिडिटी रहती है उसको बोलते हैं हाइग्रोस्कोपिक. Okay, so hygroscopic water which is present in soil, that is also non-available for plant. Next, water which seeps down and reach to water table. Okay, that is also unavailable for plant growth. Next, adsorbed water. Absorb water. Suppose it is a soil particle. A water which is adsorb in condition. This is the adsorbed water. Okay. So this water is not available for plant growth. Okay. So one is gravitational water. That is also not available for plant. Because water which seeps down reach to water table. Water table means सबसे अंदर का पानी जो होता है. So this water is not available for plant growth because roots can't seep down. So this water is known as icard. Water which is available for plants is known as cresard, generators of capillary water, and pollard means total water which is available in soil. It's known as pollard. Okay, clear? So soil is essential factor not only for plant growth and all. Generally, how soil forms? By the weathering process. You know, soil weathering, by soil erosion, or by the natural phenomena only the soil moves from one region to other region. Okay, so these are the abiotic factor and generally they are related with our ecology. Okay, so clear हो गया?